This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Most chili oil recipes involve hot oil splashing and boiling over. Today we are making Chinese chili oil without the mess and the danger.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
This is really simple to make and it costs only a fraction of the commercial chili oil. You can also customize it to your taste. And unlike other chili oil recipes, there's no oil splashing and boiling over, so it's safe as well. To make this, you infuse cooking oil with some aromatics and pour it over the chili flakes. That's it. First, we prepare the oil. Over medium heat, heat up 250 ml of cooking oil. You can use any flavorless oil you like vegetable oil and corn oil. But don't use sesame oil or olive oil. Now put in the aromatics. I have here 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, 1 stalk of green onions, 2 slices of ginger. Turn down the heat to low. When the spring onions turn brown, turn off the heat and remove the aromatics. Let the oil cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the chili. I have here half a cup or 50 grams of chili flakes. It is best to use the chili flakes from Sichuan as it gives the chili oil that bright red color. You can also use the Korean chili flakes. It's less spicy and not as red as the China ones. To the chili flakes, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Stir to combine. After 5 to 10 minutes, pour the oil over the chili flakes. When the oil has a chance to cool down, there will be no splashing and boiling over, and you will not burn the ingredients either. Yet, the oil is hot enough to extract the flavors and color from the chilies. Let it sit for a day or two for the flavors to develop and infuse before using. Super easy Chinese chili oil.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.